Facing injuries from a serious truck accident? An injury attorney can help. Here are the top 10 reasons to hire an experienced truck accident lawyer. 1. The minute an accident happens, the trucking company is preparing their defense, gathering evidence, and protecting their own interests. You should too. 2. The trucking industry is highly regulated, and an injured party needs an attorney with in-depth knowledge and an understanding of these regulations to fully maximize your case value. 3. Trucking companies are required to maintain certain records and documents that an experienced trucking attorney knows how to obtain. 4. A lawyer knows how to fully value your case. 5. Your attorney can obtain, read, and analyze the computer data recorded by a truck in order to recreate how an accident happened and/or could have been avoided. 6. They have access to expert witnesses that assist in proving your case. 7. Trucking companies get creative and try to hide their assets. A lawyer knows where to find those assets and insurance coverage in order to fully compensate an injured party. 8. A truck accident attorney knows which employees to question in order to get the information needed to fully develop your case. 9. An experienced trucking attorney knows which arguments to anticipate from the defendant and how to properly prepare for them. 10. A skilled lawyer knows how to maximize your potential award. Call StangerLaw LLC for help with your truck accident case today.